Hello everyone, I am Himasati Sharma and student. We are discussing the chapter called Time and Motion for class 7th. We have already discussed motion, time and simple pendulum. Today we are going to discuss speed. So this distance traveled by an object in 1 unit time is called speed. So this unit time can either be 1 hour, 1 minute or in 1 second. A slow moving object will have low speed and a fast moving object will have high speed. So we know that the distance covered by two buses in 1 hour, then we can answer which one is slower. So if one bus is traveling 25 kilometers in 1 hour, another bus is traveling 50 kilometers in 1 hour, so we'll say the speed of the bus which is traveling 50 kilometers in 1 hour is more and 25 kilometers in 1 hour is slow. Therefore, we can deduct a formula to calculate the speed, which can be distance traveled upon time taken. That means in how much time, how much distance is traveled. So, for example, if if a car travels a distance of 100 kilometer in 2 hours, so what will be the speed? 100 upon 2, that means 50 kilometers per hour. It shows that a car will travel a distance of 50 kilometers in 1 hour. Now, it does not matter if a car seldom moves with a constant speed for 1 hour, as it starts moving slowly and then picks up the speed. So we see whenever we travel, if I say that a car is traveling 50 kilometers in 1 hour, but that in that 1 hour, that car is not constantly moving with 50 kilometers per hour. Sometimes it will have 20 kilometers per hour speed, sometimes it will have 70 kilometers per hour speed also. But that if we take an average speed, that will be 50 kilometer per hour. So we know that because of traffic or because of some other reason, a car or a vehicle cannot move with a constant speed. Sometimes it is slow, sometimes it is fast, but then we can calculate the average distance which is traveled in a unit time, which is called average speed of the car. So what is the unit of the speed? Unit of the speed is depending upon the unit of the distance and unit of the time. So if the distance is in kilometer and time is in hour, so the unit of speed will be kilometer per hour, but the standard unit is meter per second, because the standard unit of distance is meter and standard unit of time is second. So therefore standard unit of speed is meter per second, but the speed can vary. It can be kilometer per hour also. So from this triangle, you can see if you know the formula of the speed, which is distance upon time, and out of these three, two variables are given. If you are given with the speed and distance, you can calculate the time. If you have given distance and speed, you can calculate the time. If you have speed and time, you can calculate the distance. Now, as we discussed, if the larger values of the speed are expressed in kilometer per hour and the smaller are in centimeter per second or meter per second as well. Speedometer and odometer are the two devices which are given in the vehicle. So, at any point of time, the speed of the car or speed of the vehicle can be seen by the speedometer, right? So the speedometer is an instrument on a vehicle's dashboard which indicates the speed of the vehicle when it is moving. And this instrument tells us the speed of a running vehicle at that instant of time in kilometer per hour. That means it is speedometer is not giving you average speed. It is giving you that speed at that instance. Now odometer, that means this meter, where it is kilometer is written. This is the device which tells about the distance traveled by a vehicle at a particular point of time. So this digital thing is odometer, and this measure the distance in kilometer. In our next class, we'll be discussing about uniform and non-uniform motion. Thank you.